we move over to the right side today, we know that angle C is 90 degrees in all of these triangles. I'm going to call this angle B, this angle A. So this will be length of 5, this will be length of 12. So here's the big question. Can you tell what makes this different from the problem we did yesterday? We don't have an angle. But could we find the other side? Let's find the other side. So c squared is equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared. Good. So c squared is equal to 25 plus 144. Square both sides. C is 13. First, I need somebody to choose an angle. You want A? Fine. She wants A. Now this is super important. Okay, this is something I was trying to show yesterday. So I'm going to write it two ways. If you're choosing angle A, then this is the hypotenuse, right? What side is this? Adjacent. And what side is this? Had you chosen B, then this would be the hypotenuse, and this would be the opposite, and this would be, so it depends, doesn't it? But since you chose B, since I can undo stuff, hey, come on. There we go. I will choose to use those three. But so it depends on which one you chose. So now that you chose A, I actually have opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Would you like to use sine, cosine, or tangent? You, since we have all three sides, you can just choose. You would like to use tangent? That's fine. Tangent of A. What? What did I do? Oh. Raquel, this is a friendly environment. All right. Well, I'll write all three down. Tangent is equal to what? So 5 over 12. Cosine is equal to 12 over 13. Sine would be equal to opposite over hypotenuse, 5 over 13, right? Watch this on my calculator. What's different about this is we're solving for an angle, correct? And when you solve for an angle, you don't press sine, you press second sine, or sine inverse. And then you don't type in the angle because you don't have it, you type in what it's equal to. If you type in 5 divided by 13, you can see it comes up with the angle for you. Now, just to make my point, I just did sine inverse of 5 over 13. I'll do tangent inverse of 5 over 12. I'll do cosine inverse of 12 over 13. Not in this situation. In some it does, but not in this situation. So I've got it. I think we've convinced ourselves that angle A is 22.62 degrees, right? Or if you're Ashley, 22.6198645. So Sorry, just 6 decimal places. Sorry. All right, so A is at 22.62 degrees. Now that I have that one, can I find B? Yeah. I just subtract 90 and 22.62 from 180. I get 67.38. Isn't that nice? So if you're not given an angle, use the Pythagorean theorem to find the other side, and then use one of the sine, cosine, or tangent formulas to figure out the other. Try the next one on your own, okay? Try the next one on your own. What's that? We're time consuming? Yeah, yep, yes. So that's your result. That's how we worked it out. And it, like I said, you could choose to use A or B, but that's the difference between solving when you're looking for angles and when you're looking for sides. All I want you to do is I want you to be able to finish this sheet. I'll give you the rest of the hour, and I just want you to feel really comfortable with solving this. I have the answer key ready to go so you can check, but does this seem like something we can do? Yes. In this situation, it's really nice we come up with all three sides. It really is. You know, I think that the only scenario that people run into is when you get the ones on the left-hand side, is then it does matter, right? Like, you may not be able to choose tangents, or you may not be able to choose sine. And that's what you have to do. So, go ahead, you can work, and I'll set up the answer key, and hopefully you can go into the weekend with no homework.